Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I have a great little life hack for you. If you watch my reviews, you know that my daughter is a huge crafter. She's taken up sewing lately, and a regular thimble doesn't fit her little hands. So I got her these, and they are amazing. So if you don't know what a thimble is, which you're here, so I assume you do, you put it on your finger, and then it helps you push the needle through, because the thimble part, the metal part, does not allow the needle to touch your finger. This in particular is great because you have this leather that goes over your finger that would fit better. My mom's getting older hands, I like to call them, and so her fingers aren't working as well. This is also really great for her because it's going to stay on. With a regular thimble, sometimes depending on what you're doing, you kind of have to squeeze your fingers together to keep it on. This is just going to stay on. It's a really nice material, very well made, beautiful stitching, and I am obsessed with this. So these thimbles are amazing. Get yourself one, be a good friend and a good daughter. Get some for your mom, get some for your friends and any crafters that you know in your life. This is a great stocking stuffer. I highly recommend.